Over the past years, Western Rajasthan has rapidly emerged as the energy hub in the country with the availability of wide range of resources, waste petroleum and natural gas, wind, solar and coal. Growth of energy sector in this region has increased demand for qualified engineers who can solve today's challenging problems. Engineering College Badmer aims to develop industry-focused technical professionals by providing quality higher education so that they can contribute to nation building. A dedicated academic team and staff impart individual attention to students and emphasizes on holistic development. On 21st April 2018, the state government of Rajasthan passed the order to establish Engineering College with the vision to provide exponentially technical sound majorly for Badmer oil and gas field. The founding batch we were blessed with 80 students and the first class was conducted on 6th August 2018. IITs, NITs and other reputed institute alumni were hired as a teaching faculty. GEC is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, New Delhi. In 2018, GEC was established with mainly petroleum engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and electronics and communication. By the demand of era, artificial intelligence and chemical engineering added in 2020. To provide technical well guidance and industrial exposure, we have MOUs with Cairn Vedanta, JSW, Skill University, and Comtech. The MOU helped in providing industrial visits, seminars, industrial experts, lectures, and trainings. The training and placement cell conquered students in a way which helped in getting internship to students in MNCs and national companies like SLB, Sopan, JSW, SP Armada Bhumi. In the placement session of 2021, EnviroCare placed 6 students from Department of Civil Engineering. This placement includes 6 months of paid internship. National Cadet Corps is a responsive, learning and continuously evolving organization. Cadets of ECB are to instill a sense of national unity, social cohesion, ability to participate in community development and other social programs. NSS. The motto of NSS, not me but you, reflects the essence of democratic living and upholds the need for selfless service. As a part of innovation and ICC MHRD cell, a group of students has participated in the SIH Hackathon 2019 and they were the runner-up at this national level event. The most important aspects of any engineering is educational tours, for which different groups has participated in fests and events. And they were PDPU 2019, UPES 2020, AAPG 2020 and 2021 virtual. Every college grows, learn and build upcoming technocrats, leaders, entrepreneurs and skilled persons, and event plays an important role. We have different group of activities such as technical events, sports, social responsibilities, cultural, art and other events. SAC events are Shahadat Ko Salam, where we showcase love and patriotism to the world with the 200-meter tricolor show and 3D map. Vita Nova as freshers, Garjana as cultural, Sampark and Sports Week celebration. Student Activity Council is a collection of multiple clubs and they are Oasis, Petrowords, Infinity Fly, Krunto, Kokal, Arohanam, Cultural Event Club and Adventure Club. In the times of COVID-19, in between a global pandemic, our college launched their own YouTube channel where recorded lecture was uploaded. As a part of helping in times of difficult COVID-19, with the helping hand of Indian Army, a 100-bed isolation ward was prepared to cater COVID-19 and to help locals. As a part of social responsibility, Care India provided their 3 days training on first aid and CPR. Our life is meant for going back to the society as a responsible institute. We organize multiple drives for social cause like plantation drive, blood donation, food drive, and educational and teaching drive. Our college is blessed with highly qualified and excellent guests in their respective fields like